Hey, English learners, welcome back to Daily Sentence Practice. Today, we practice one useful sentence for a very normal day. You are outside. You are at a stop. Someone asks, "What are you doing?" You can answer with today's sentence. Today's sentence is, I'm waiting for the bus. Listen one time. I'm waiting for the bus. Good. Now listen again, a little slower. I'm waiting for the bus. Nice. This is a very useful sentence. You can use it at a bus stop. You can use the same pattern with many things. But today, we keep it simple. One sentence, one pattern, one word area to change. Say it slowly with me. I'm Good. Now repeat this part 2 times. Waiting for. Waiting for. Waiting for. Great. Now repeat this part 2 times. The bus. The bus. The bus. Now put the sentence together. I'm waiting for the bus. One more time, a little more natural. I'm waiting for the bus. What does this sentence mean? It means I am here now. I am not moving yet. I need the bus to come. So, I say, I'm waiting for the bus. The word waiting means I stay here for some time. The bus is not here yet. Maybe it comes soon. Maybe it comes in a few minutes. I can tell another person, I'm waiting for the bus. Say the meaning sentence with me. I am here, and I need the bus to come. Good. Now say today's sentence again. I'm waiting for the bus. Now let's build the pattern. The pattern is subject, waiting for, person, or thing. For today's main sentence, the subject is I. With I, we say, I'm. I'm means I am. Then, we say, waiting for. After, for, we say the person or thing. In our sentence, that thing is the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Let's practice the pattern in small pieces. I'm waiting for. Good. Again, I'm waiting for. Now add the thing, the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Great. Keep the first part the same. I'm waiting for. Then change only the last part. That last part is our object today. We are changing the person or thing after for. Now change one word area. We will change the object after for. I'm waiting for. Change the object from the bus to the train. I'm waiting for the train. Nice. Change the object from the train to a taxi. I'm waiting for a taxi. Good. Change the object from a taxi to the elevator. I'm waiting for the elevator. Great. Change the object from the elevator to my ride. I'm waiting for my ride. Good work. Change the object from my ride to my friend. I'm waiting for my friend. Nice. Change the object from my friend to my order. I'm waiting for my order. Good. Change the object from my order to the shuttle. I'm waiting for the shuttle. One more. Change the object from the shuttle to my mom. I'm waiting for my mom. Excellent. You kept the pattern. I'm waiting for plus one person or thing. Let's do a faster round. I will say the new object. You say the full sentence. The bus. I'm waiting for the bus. The train. I'm waiting for the train. A taxi. I'm waiting for a taxi. My friend. I'm waiting for my friend. Mini quiz time. I will say a prompt. You say the full sentence first. Use this pattern. I'm waiting for plus the person or thing. Number 1. Say the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Number 2. Say a taxi. I'm waiting for a taxi. Number 3. Say my order. I'm waiting for my order. Number 4. Say my friend. I'm waiting for my friend. Nice job. Now one fill-in sentence. I'm waiting for blank. Great. You can put many words there. Now repeat after me. First, slow and clear. I'm waiting for the bus. Again. I'm waiting for the bus. Now a little faster, like a normal conversation. I'm waiting for the bus. Good. Now repeat 3 useful versions. I'm waiting for the train. I'm waiting for a taxi. I'm waiting for my friend. Excellent. Keep your voice relaxed. Do not rush the words waiting for. Say them together smoothly. Waiting for. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the bus. Now it is your turn. Imagine you are at a bus stop. Your friend calls you and says, "Where are you?" Answer with today's sentence. Your turn. Good. Now imagine you are outside a station. Change only the object. I'm waiting for the train. Your turn. Nice. Now imagine you ordered coffee. You are standing near the counter. I'm waiting for my order. Your turn. Great. Now make your own sentence. I'm waiting for. Add one person or thing from your life. I'm waiting for blank. Nice speaking. That sentence can help you in many small moments. You do not need a long explanation. Just say what you are waiting for. Write one sentence in the comments using today's pattern. I'm waiting for. Then, add one person or thing. For example, I'm waiting for my friend. Your sentence can be very simple. Nice work today. You practiced one real sentence many ways. Keep speaking, keep it light, and have a great day. Bye for now.